If you're looking for a weight loss program designed exclusively for women, then you need to try the Cinderella Solution. This weight loss program is geared specifically toward women. It helps your body regulate your natural hormones, such as insulin, cortisol and estrogen, in order to maximize weight loss and fat reduction. Most weight loss plans are geared toward men. They require high-impact, testosterone-driven workout plans that just aren't designed for a woman. So, author of the Cinderella Solution, Carly Donovan, thought it was time to come up with a weight loss plan for women, by women. Who is Carly Donovan? Carly Donovan has been a pioneer in the weight loss industry for over 10 years. She knows what it's like to fight the battle of the bulge herself. She used to be overweight. After trying just about weight loss plan on the market, she decided to do some research. Special discount on the Cinderella Solution. http://newnaturalremedies.com/Cinderella Solution program. The link below this video. She found that women in other countries, such as Japan and Spain, didn't suffer the same weight problems we do in the rest of the world. She was determined to find out their secret. Once she did, she wrote the Cinderella Solution so she could share her secret formula with the rest of the world. What is the Cinderella Solution? The Cinderella Solution is a 28-day weight loss program designed specifically for women. It includes 2 phases, the Ignite phase and the Launch phase. Each phase is 14 days long. They're comprised of meal plans that rely on certain food combinations in order to maximize weight loss and fat reduction. Carly found that women in other parts of the world were able to eat foods high in calories, fat and carbohydrates without gaining weight. She discovered that it wasn't the foods these women were eating that was key. It was the combination of foods. She put together a food plan for women looking to lose weight. She combined this with a gentle, low-impact workout plan to come up with an effective weight loss and fat reduction program. How does the program work? The Cinderella Solution is a 28-day program made up of 2 phases. You start with the Ignite phase. It's 14 days of eating 3 meals a day. These meals are custom written by the author of the program. It utilizes the food combinations proven to regulate your natural hormones and help you lose weight. The second phase is the Launch phase. During this phase, you'll enjoy 4 meals a day. Each meal, again, is designed specifically with the special food combinations in mind. These are the same food combinations that Carly Donovan used to lose 84 pounds over 10 years ago. What are the special food combinations? Some of these special food combinations include mint and green tea, ricotta and berries, apples and chocolate, fish and garlic, Greek yogurt and sweet potatoes. The meal plans are designed using these food combinations and many others. These combinations are proven to help boost your metabolism and help you lose weight. A digital program is easy and convenient to use. What a lot of women love about the Cinderella Solution is that it's digital. You don't need to carry around any books or flashcards. All you need is your cell phone or handheld device. You can access it right from your laptop, phone or iPad. If you prefer the written weight loss plan, it does come with printable PDF. The Cinderella Solution includes an optional workout plan. These workout videos are available right online. They're all about 8 to 20 minutes long. They're designed for women and include only gentle and low-impact sequencing. Who should buy the Cinderella Solution? Carly Donovan designed the Cinderella Solution for women of all ages. Whether you're in your 20s or 80s, this program may be just the thing you've been looking for. If you want to lose weight without following a strict diet, you'll love the Cinderella Solution. It's perfect for the following: people who have tried to lose weight the traditional way without much success. Women who have lost weight before but gained it all back and then some. People who hate to count calories. Women looking for fast results. Women who aren't looking to commit to a long-term weight loss plan. People who don't want to eat rabbit food. What makes the Cinderella Solution different? The author wrote the Cinderella Solution because she wanted to offer women their own way of losing weight. She was tired of watching women battle their weight over and over again with the same results. So, she created a program that lets you lose weight without counting calories or eating meals out of cardboard boxes. And, while the program does offer over 50 workout videos, you don't have to use them if you're not ready. The Cinderella Solution was written specifically for women. It is unique in that it works by targeting the natural hormones in a woman's body. These hormones, such as insulin, cortisol and estrogen, impact weight loss and fat reduction. The problem is, as we age, we can't lose weight the same way we did when we were young. And we certainly can't lose weight the same way as men. We need something uniquely designed for women of all ages. Some of the things that make it hard for us to stay in shape include family history, diet, exercise, lifestyle. The Cinderella Solution takes all of these into account. It removes the guesswork from losing weight and building muscle. How fast does it work? The Cinderella Solution works fast. You'll start seeing results in as little as 28 days. That's what's so great about the program. If you aren't happy with the results you see after 1 month, you can try it again and again. What does the program include? The Cinderella program is available for just $37. For this price, you get access to the full program. Your program comes with the following. Cinderella Solution Main Manual. This is a manual that explains the science behind weight loss. It also explains how hormones come into play when you're trying to lose weight. Quick Start Guide. This is a cheat sheet for the program. If you don't feel like reading the entire manual, you can reference the Quick Start Guide to start losing weight right away. Cinderella University Book. This is a book that explains the culprits behind weight gain and obesity. Movement Sequencing Guide. The program comes with optional workout plans. The Movement Sequencing Guide helps you understand the workout aspect of the program. Bonus Daily Nutritional Blueprint. In this bonus material, Carly Donovan, the creator of the Cinderella Solution, describes, in detail, every step she took on her own weight loss journey of 84 pounds.